Okay, for a more traditional soyu chicken version, um, we're gonna use uh, sweet soy glaze, okay, star anise, and Chinese five spice. Um, we're just gonna use a pinch of the Chinese five spice. Okay, you can add more if you want. It's both of these items are extremely strong in flavor, so I would go easy on it. We're only gonna take a little piece off the star anise, and I mean a tiny piece because it, like I said, it's very strong. Okay, so we're just gonna push that on the bottom. It's on the way, and then we're just gonna take this sweet soy sauce and just have at it. Okay, you don't want to go too much on this. Again, this is a strong flavor. It's sweetened soy, so it's a little different than this. This has more flavor in it, so all I'm gonna do is basically coat the chicken completely. And normally they use this, they coat a whole chicken and they coat the inside of the cavity um, to get it a good coating. This also gives a lot of color to the chicken when they cook it. It gives it that nice dark color. Okay, so I'm just gonna coat it as best I can, and it also, as you notice, it's also mixing up that five spice and star anise. Okay, so that's it. And then we put this in the steamer. Okay.